How can I replace truck filters with simple tools? Imagine your truck running smoothly without spending a fortune on repairs. Routine filter replacement is a big part of keeping your truck in top shape. Today, I'll walk you through how to swap out your filters using just basic tools. It's easier than you think, and you don't need fancy equipment. First, you need to identify what filters you're working with. The most common are oil filters, fuel filters, and air filters. Oil filters are usually round, spin-on types near the engine. Fuel filters can be inline or cartridge style, often under the truck or close to the fuel tank. Air filters sit in a housing on or near the engine intake system. Knowing where they are and what type you have makes the job much simpler. Gather your basic tools next. An adjustable wrench or channel lock pliers are great for loosening filter housings or clamps. For spin-on oil filters, a simple oil filter wrench, which is a band or claw style, is perfect. These wrenches are inexpensive and easy to use. You just slip them around the filter and turn counterclockwise to loosen. For filters with bolt-on caps, a ratchet and socket set work well. Keep some clean rags and a drain pan nearby to catch any fluids that might spill. To remove the old filter, start with the oil filter. Use your filter wrench to grip the filter and turn it counterclockwise. If it's stuck, a strap wrench can give you more grip without damaging the filter. For fuel filters, if they have standard fittings, pliers or wrenches will do. Be careful not to crack plastic housings or damage locking clips. For air filters, open the housing by loosening clips or screws with a screwdriver or wrench, then carefully remove the old element. When installing the new filter, lightly coat the rubber gasket of the oil filter with a bit of clean engine oil. Screw it on by hand until it's snug, then turn about a quarter turn more. Do not over-tighten as this can cause leaks. For fuel filters, make sure all fittings are clean and seated properly before tightening. If your filter has clips, snap them securely into place. For the air filter, insert the new element and reassemble the housing tightly. After everything is in place, start your engine and check around the filters for leaks. Look for drips or signs of loose fittings. Dispose of the old filters and any used fluids responsibly, following local regulations. Always work on a cool engine to avoid burns, and wear gloves to protect your hands from oil or fuel. Keeping a filter wrench set handy makes future replacements quick and damage-free. Using these simple tools and following these steps, you can handle routine filter changes yourself. It saves money, keeps your engine healthy, and ensures your truck stays on the road longer. Remember, regular filter replacement is key to good truck maintenance and care.